Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share some Happy Mail as well as a very small haul. Anyway, so over on Polite Creations channel, I won this gorgeous card that she made. And I do have to say, I already looked in the envelope. So I know I have some of these gorgeous sunflowers there. Let me just show you the card. Looks like this, very pretty, but check out the inside. I have all of these little sunflowers. Isn't that gorgeous? And then she says, congratulations, Melissa. Thank you for continued support. Enjoy, Natasha. Thank you so much, Natasha. When I see that I won this gorgeous card, I'm like, yes, send it on, send it on. So I'm so excited to have this. I did not open it because it's so pretty. But I love it. It says high fives. That was awesome. And this is an awesome card. Look at there. You're amazing. I hope you can see everything. I didn't want to take it out. It looks so pretty. This will be in my stash too. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much, Natasha. I really, really appreciate it. You know what? I probably should. If I open it, I'll have a picture at the end of what's in the inside. All right, but I may not open it. It's so pretty. All right, and then here goes my haul. I purchased this from Amazon. Took a little while to come in. I want to say they shipped it from China, even though I ordered it from Amazon. But those are those cute sunflowers. I want to say Nicole Solette made them, but they're from KS Craft. So love those. And then soon enough, you'll see some cards that I made with this Spellbinder set. I absolutely love it. I may have showed it. I'm not definite. But if so, that's it. And that's how it looks there. And then over on Amazon, I also purchased, Amazon, the discount store, Amazon. I seen this at the discount store for $5 and I picked it up. And I had bought one of those things from, what is it called? I bought these little boxes from Harbor Freight. And I ended up switching it to these because it just filled these so much better than the Harbor Freight. And I love this. Love how it just packaged it up. There's actually 64 of these in here, I want to say. And so I was able to put most of those colors in there that I picked up from that Amazon store as well of the diamond dots. But you can see them all in there. I love, love, love this. I wish I had found two because I love the storage unit. But then that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You have a blessed and crafty day. Also, make sure you head over to Natasha's channel, which is Polite Creations, and tell her I sent you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks so much, everyone. Have a blessed and crafty day.